Hi, I'm Dr. PK Talwar, cosmetic surgeon. I've been doing cosmetic surgery for last 28 years in New Delhi. The topic which I would like to speak today is facelift and blepharoplasty. In, with passage of time or because of gravity, pollution, and other factors, and because of loss of fat, our skin and muscles of the face they become lax, and that is how the aging signs of aging come. Now, to counter that, previously we used to do surgical facelift. Now, what is surgical facelift? In surgical facelift, we used to cut the skin in front of the ears and behind the neck, open the skin like bonnet of a car, tighten the muscles, and then excise the extra skin and pull it up and suture it. With that, the patient will have a nice look. But surgery is now getting less and less preferred by the patients, and patient wants something which is non-invasive. The reason is that though the scars were very minimal, you will hardly find out the scar, but because of the slight pain, swelling, or hospitalization for a day or so, patient did not prefer uh, facelift, especially in contemporary times, because now there are other techniques are also available. But while we are doing surgical facelift, I think that would give you the best possible result because surgically you can tighten the muscle and the skin. Now the other techniques which came in to help the patients was that we started doing thread lifts. Now with the threads there used to be barbed threads. There were small barbs. You will introduce the barbs from the temporal region in below the skin of the face, lift up the skin and put it on the bulbs. With that, the skin will be held up by the bulbs. They used to be absorbable or non-absorbable, different kinds of techniques. And with these bulbs, the result will not last as long as the surgical facelift, but at the same time it will last say for a year, 2 year, or 3 year, depends on how good care you are taking of your facial skin. This thread lifts are still very common because it is one of the non-invasive techniques. Though there are other threads which have come in, which can through which you can do it even like cock threads. You can do it even in the office. But still, I prefer that the thread lift in a surgical operation theater will do real longer results, and it will definitely be a better results. Now, with the passage of time, the skin around your eyes also becomes lax, and in that, what you can do is you can always cut the skin here, lift up, and then suture it back. It will give you a more youthful look. Now, again, the problem has come is that people do not want even this surgery. Now, so there have been other techniques which have come up to improve your eyes, which we'll be talking uh, in our next lectures. Now, in these new techniques or thread lifts or uh, blepharoplasties, you don't need any hospitalization. What you do is come to operation theater, get it within 1 hour, get the thread lift within 1 hour, and then you go back home. And there is hardly any swelling, though we give some antibiotics and medicine for reducing the edema, etc. Because if there is swelling, it usually stays for 5 to 7 days time. And there are certain precautions which we tell the patient not to wide open the mouth, etc. And we have seen that lot of patients are now coming forward to the non-surgical facelift or thread lifts because they really love it as something which doesn't leave any scar at all. Thank you very much.